Eccles cakes. I think they're named after a character from the Goon Show, but I could be wrong. For these I'm using 225 grams of puff pastry, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 175 grams of currants, 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of mixed peel, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, freshly grated nutmeg, some caster sugar, superfine sugar for glazing, and milk for glazing. Melt the butter in a saucepan. When melted, add the currants, sugar, the mixed peel, the cinnamon, grate the nutmeg, and mix well. Turn it out into a bowl and allow it to cool. I'm going to flour my work surface and roll out the pastry to 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm going to cut the pastry into rounds with a 10 centimeter 4-inch pastry cutter. Now I'm going to put a teaspoon of the currant mixture in the centre of each round. I'm going to wet the edges with a little milk. And bring them together. I'm going to turn it over, flatten it a bit, roll it out flat. Then cut 3 cuts into the filling. I'm going to put some milk on them. And dust with caster sugar. Place them on the baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 180 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. This one. They're not too bad. They're acceptable. Not the best recipe, but edible.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting